begin developing apps, you need to create a project in Android Studio. Mostly, we design in XML and write code in Java or Kotlin. If you haven't installed Android Studio yet, go ahead and install Android Studio from this link before you begin. I am using version 3.1.4 at the time of recording. In this lecture, I will cover the basics of designing XML layout. I am going to add an image button, a text view, and change some basic properties. Then I will show you how to get the click event on that image button. By the end, you will be able to design this XML layout and get the click event on image button. Start Android Studio. In the Welcome to Android Studio window, click Start a new Android Studio project. In the Create Android Project screen, write Flappy Bird for the application name. For company domain, I am going to use sandeepbhattacharya.com, which is my website. So the package appears in reverse order, that is com.sandeepbhattacharya.flappybird. Click the three dots to change the project location. I am going to save the project on my desktop. Just below the package name, you can see two checkboxes for including support for C++ and Kotlin. As we are using Java for this project, we can leave them unchecked. Click Next. In the Target Android Devices screen, keep the default values and click Next. In the Add an Activity to Mobile screen, select Empty Activity and click Next. In the Configure Activity screen, keep the default values and click Finish. Wait for Android Studio to configure and build your empty project. You need a play button in the main activity layout. When pressed, the game should start. To do that, copy and paste the main_background and play button images into the drawable folder. Go to the layout folder under RES. Double click activity_main.xml. Change the layout to relative layout. Change the background to Android background at drawable / main_background. Next, we can delete the text view as we don't need that anymore. Go to Design tab, select the text view and hit Delete key. From the palette, click Buttons and drag and drop an image button onto the center of the layout. This causes the resource window to pop up. Click Project, select the image play, click OK. The Android image button component is an image view subclass which displays a button with an image instead of text and can be pressed or clicked by the user. Go to Text tab and change this piece of code to Android: background. go to Design tab. From the palette, click Common. Next, drag and drop a text view below the image button. The Android text view component is a view subclass which is capable of showing text. Click Text tab. Change the text to play. Delete unnecessary codes. Change the text size to 34 SP. SP stands for Scale Independent Pixels. It's a measurement unit and it's scaled according to the user's preferred text size. So you should use this when defining text size. For layout sizes, you should use DP or Density Independent Pixel. Position it below the image button. Give a margin top of 10 dp. Change the color. At Android color / hollow _red _dark. Now let's get the click event on image button. The purpose of this button is to start the game when it's tapped. But for now, let's identify the click event. There are many ways to accomplish this. One technique is to write a method name in the onClick property and implement the method in mainActivity.java. Write Android onClick start game. Next, go to mainActivity.java, define start game by writing public void start game, open close parenthesis, view, open close curly brace. This method takes a view parameter, even if we don't need it. Just import view by pressing Alt and Enter if it is not imported automatically. Right click on the package and create a new Java class called GameActivity. Select Activity as superclass. Click OK. Inside this class, right-click, Generate, Override Methods, and select onCreate. We will get back to this class later. Open mainActivity.java and go to the definition of start game. Use a log statement to confirm that we are getting the click event. To write log statements, you can use the log class with the following methods: log.d, log.i, etc. The two parameters are tag and message respectively. So write log.i. For tag, write image button, and for message, write clicked. Import log by pressing Alt and Enter if it is not imported automatically. Click the green Run button to run the app in Android emulator. click Logcat. Now click on the image button and confirm that we are getting the log information. So, to recap, I have covered a little bit about designing a basic XML layout. You also know how to get the click event on image button and write a log statement. Next, I will give you a high-level overview of our project. See you in the next video.